Hello and welcome to my next clip. This is for Key Stage 1 and it's on division. I've just done the multiplication for Key Stage 1. I'll be doing the same for Key Stage 2 also. The idea is that you look at multiplication and division together because they really do go hand in hand in maths. Okay, and you'll see that hopefully during these tutorials. Let's get started. Alright. So again, lots of different vocabulary for division. So share, divide, grouping, splitting, halving, separate into equal parts. Okay, so to divide or share something, you're sharing it equally between a specified number. Again, it's probably easier to draw this as groups of or arrays, and I'll show you examples of both. It is obviously looks slightly different for division, but again, it's the same sentiment you'll see. So the number sentence I'm using here is 10 divided by 5. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 circles and I'm going to draw my 10 dots. Okay, but I'm going to share them between these circles. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many dots does each circle have? 2. That's right, it's brilliant. Well done. Okay, so I did ask this question on multiplication just before. Would it make a difference if I wrote my number sentence the other way around? So 5 divided by 10. Would that make a difference? So I'm going to draw my 10 circles and let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got no more. And as we know, for division, it needs to be shared equally, but there's 5 here with nothing. So we know with division, it does matter which way around you have it. You have to have your biggest number first, okay? Let's move on. Arrays. So again, we're drawing 15 divided by 3. Now, you don't need to do it the same way I do it, but I like to draw smiley faces, okay? You can just draw the lines here, but these are my 3 friends that I'm going to share with. And they're obviously smiling because I'm in a sharing mood, all right? So again, it's 15. So I'm going to count and you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, how many does each of my friends have? Okay, we're going to call this one probably Bob, Jeff, and Fred. Okay, how many does each friend have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, would it be different again if I turned it around? Can we do 3 divided by 15? So I need to draw 15 friends. Here are all my friends. Oh, they're not all happy. Now, let's see if we can share my 3 between the 15 friends. 1, 2, 3. That's why they're not happy, because I've got no more to go around. Okay? Again, that biggest number needs to go first. All right? How would we use number lines for division? Okay, this is another method of doing it. So again, this is all the same action that we're doing. We're still doing division. It's just different ways of doing it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to count in my 5s until I get to 20, because I need to do 20 divided by 5. I know I can count in my 5, so I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, how many jumps did I make to get to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, because each jump shows me how many 5s are in 20. So I made 4 jumps. Excellent. So the next steps for this one, so this is moving away from the pictorial now, and it's moving on to more solidifying the abstract, so it's solidifying the knowledge and understanding. So 10 divided by 5 is the same as 5 divided by 10. Well, what did we say about the biggest number having to come first in division? That is false. Okay. Next, you could ask questions like this. So how many number sentences can you make from the following? So if I know 6 times 5 equals 30, then I also know that 5 times 6 must equal 30. I know that 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Things like this really, really help in deepening the understanding and the relationship between a multiplication and division. So wherever possible, try and do things like this just to keep that link there and keep that knowledge there. Okay? Word problems again. So Mrs. Smith has 40 sweets and she shares them equally between 5 children. How many sweets does each child get? So again, we've got to concentrate on the information that's relevant. So 40 sweets, 5 children. I know my biggest number has to come first. So this is going to be 40 divided by 5. And I know that equals 8. Okay, my 2-step word problem. Jessica and Caitlin both have some sweets. Jessica has eaten half of her sweets, so only has 20 left. Caitlin started with 4 times less the amount of sweets that Jessica started with. How many sweets does Caitlin have? So the first thing I need to know is how many sweets did Jessica start with? She has 20 sweets left. I know she's eaten half of them. Now if you halve something, you are dividing it between 2. So half has been eaten, so 20 times 2 is 40. So she must have started with 40 sweets. Now, Caitlin has 4 times less. So I need to divide this by 4. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. So Caitlin started with 10 sweets. Again, I've gone through this quite quickly, but as with all my videos, the aim here is that you will go through them at your own pace, pause, rewind and fast forward as you need to. If you found this helpful, please do like and share it, and hopefully help other people, and leave me any comments, good or bad, so I can build on videos. Take care. Thank you for watching.